Welcome back to a brand new video. This one is for those who want to turn their balconies into beautiful botanical havens. If you need some inspiration for your balcony transformation, keep on watching. Sipping tea amidst greenery. Transform your balcony into a serene haven. If you have a large space, place a round coffee table and chairs in the center, surrounded by lush greenery. Vines, container plants, or a mix of both will bring nature's charm to your doorstep. Relax, unwind, and connect with the outdoors. Making memories in your balcony garden. Why stay indoors when your balcony can be a perfect spot for unforgettable moments with family and friends? Add a contrasting sofa set, strategically placed potted plants, and a few personal touches to create a cozy yet vibrant atmosphere. A rainbow in your balcony. Who doesn't love a splash of color? Brighten up your space with colorful plants like petunias, hoyas, and more. Use window boxes, hanging baskets, or other creative containers to infuse floral charm into your balcony. Succulent Army. Fill your balcony with adorable succulents. Showcase a variety of species in repurposed colorful containers like buckets and cans. The unique textures and shapes will add personality to your space. Tiny Herb Garden. Grow your own herbs in small containers, combining visual appeal with practical use. A neatly arranged herb garden adds charm while offering fresh ingredients for your kitchen. Seasonal planting. Switch up your balcony's look with the seasons. Rotate plants that bloom or thrive in specific weather conditions for a dynamic and ever-changing display. Low-maintenance plants. Gardening doesn't have to be stressful. Choose easy-to-care-for plants that thrive with minimal attention. This way, you can enjoy a beautiful garden without the hassle. Sunny Zen Balcony Garden. Embrace the sun and serenity right on your balcony. Arrange plants to allow sunlight to pour in, creating a warm and inviting retreat where you can relax and recharge. Balcony cage or wall garden. If safety is a concern, a balcony cage doubles as a decorative feature. Hang window boxes or hooks to maximize vertical space, while ensuring a secure environment for pets or toddlers. Uniform hanging baskets. Create a stunning visual with identical hanging baskets filled with the same plants. The symmetry and uniformity add an elegant, cohesive touch to your balcony. Balcony bonsai display. When full-size trees aren't an option, bonsais are a perfect alternative. These miniature trees bring an artistic charm and intrigue to small spaces. Leafy delight. Foliage plants like monstera, snake plants, and hostas offer a lush green environment. Sometimes leaves can be just as captivating as flowers. Makeshift balcony storage garden. Got storage shelves on your balcony? Repurpose them as plant racks. Arrange potted plants on each level for a unique, space-efficient garden. Balcony display stand. For the passionate gardener, dedicate a shelf to showcase your plants. Organize them by type, creating a layered display of your favorites. Spacious yet minimalist. Prefer a minimalist vibe? Keep plant decorations to a minimum, with slender plants in the corners and a few accent pieces. Add a table and chairs for an airy, tranquil space. Layered platform garden. Use platforms of various heights to create a tiered garden. Each level can have its own theme, from succulents to bonsais, adding depth and visual interest. Fruitful balcony garden. Grow delicious fruits like strawberries in window boxes along your railing. These compact containers are perfect for producing fresh, juicy treats. Colorful balcony hedge. Bring the charm of hedges to your balcony. Use wide containers to grow bushy plants or grasses, creating a lush and inviting barrier. Vegetable garden retreat. Skip the grocery trips by growing your own vegetables. Tomatoes, eggplants, and other easy-to-grow options can thrive in pots, providing fresh produce at your fingertips. Herbal flavor haven. Add aromatic herbs like parsley and lavender to your balcony. Not only do they look and smell fantastic, but they're also handy for spicing up your dishes. Expert Gardener's Paradise. For seasoned gardeners, experiment with challenging plants that boast high ornamental value. Show off your expertise and discipline with a balcony full of rare beauties. Fairy Light Oasis. Transform your balcony into a magical retreat with fairy lights. Twinkling among the plants, they create a cozy, enchanting ambiance perfect for chilly evenings. Far-spaced planting. Have a large balcony? Use geometric pots placed at intervals to create a balanced, airy layout. This idea works beautifully for rooftop spaces too. Privacy with veggies. Grow climbing plants like tomatoes on vertical supports to create a green privacy screen. Functional and beautiful, it's the perfect blend of form and utility. Wall of plants. Why limit your greenery to the ground? Mount potted plants on your balcony wall using hooks and brackets to create a captivating wall of plants. Incorporate visually stunning varieties like spider plants for a dramatic effect. The wall as your canvas. Take it up a notch. Combine potted plants with 3D wall art for a cross-sectional effect. Paint colorful designs around the planters for an eye-catching and cheerful vibe. One with nature. Bring peace and tranquility to your balcony with an artificial waterfall surrounded by lush, broad-leafed plants like philodendrons. This setup mimics a serene natural oasis, perfect for unwinding. The Minimalist Retreat. For a clean, simple look, place a couple tall, slender plants in the corners of your balcony. Add a cozy bamboo chair in the center to create an ideal spot for quiet relaxation. Start small. If you're new to balcony gardening, begin with just one pot of your favorite plant. Focus on learning the basics before expanding to more complex setups. Prepare for the winter. If your balcony is exposed to heavy rain, opt for water-loving plants and use pots with proper drainage. This ensures your garden thrives no matter the weather. Layered external balcony garden. Think outside the balcony. Suspend plants from the railing, roof, or edges using window boxes and hanging pots. Showcase your greenery to the world in style. Botanical passageway. Transform your entryway into a floral paradise by placing plants on both sides of the passage. It'll feel like stepping into a botanical wonderland. Sack gardening. Replace traditional pots with sacks. These versatile containers can mold to fit unconventional spaces, making them perfect for growing larger plants in smaller areas. Screened-off mini garden. Create a private sanctuary by screening off your balcony with natural materials like sticks or twigs. Inside, grow your favorite plants for a hidden green retreat. Sunlight considerations. Choose plants based on your balcony's sunlight exposure. For low-light areas, opt for shade-loving varieties, ensuring your garden thrives. Umbrella decor. Add shade and style with a large umbrella in the center of your balcony garden. Arrange plants around it to maintain a balance of light and shadow. Railing-mounted containers. Maximize space with containers mounted directly onto your balcony railing. Ideal for herbs and small flowering plants. They save room while keeping your garden vibrant. Shield from the wind. For high balconies, strong winds can be a challenge. Install glass panels to protect your plants without obstructing sunlight. Miniature garden. Limited space? Use tiny pots like teacups or tin cans to grow miniature plants. Prune regularly to maintain their petite size and charm. Tabletop decor. Place a potted plant in the center of your balcony table to enjoy a botanical companion while basking in the sunlight. Matching clay pots. Line your balcony's boundary with uniform terracotta pots. The natural color complements greenery beautifully, creating a neat, organic aesthetic. bird nest planters. Elevate your balcony garden with bird nest-shaped pots. These unique containers are both functional and visually appealing, echoing the height of your balcony. Balcony jungle. Embrace diversity by filling your balcony with various plants. A mix of textures, colors, and sizes creates a lively, dynamic space. Tall plant showcase. Opt for vertical impact with tall plants ranging from 2 to 10 feet. Strategically arrange them for both movement and maximum visibility. Biodiversity haven. Invite nature in by planting species that attract bees, butterflies, and birds. Enhance the experience with food and water for your winged visitors. Colossal shrub feature. A single large shrub like a blooming rose can transform your balcony into a focal point. Patience will reward you with stunning growth and beauty. Feng Shui balcony garden. Incorporate Feng Shui principles with plants that symbolize positivity and prosperity. Your balcony becomes not just a garden, but an energy-enhancing space. Low-altitude creativity. For ground-level balconies, explore unorthodox containers like cinder blocks to grow your plants. These durable and creative pots add character to your garden. Train with trellises. Use trellises to guide plant growth and provide stability against wind. This method helps create structured and beautiful greenery. Religious plants. Honor cultural traditions by growing plants with spiritual significance like Tulsi or Madonna lilies to add a touch of reverence to your balcony. Tropical foliage paradise. Bring the rainforest to your balcony with tropical plants like Monstera and philodendrons. Their broad leaves create a lush, exotic ambiance. Fragrant paradise. Incorporate fragrant plants like lavender or jasmine to enhance your balcony garden. Their delightful scents complement their visual appeal, creating a multi-sensory experience. Gardening recluse. Dedicate a quiet corner of your balcony as your personal gardening haven. Surround yourself with your favorite flowering plants, a comfy seat, and all the essential tools to relax and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Work among nature. Transform your balcony into an outdoor workspace. Enjoy fresh air, sunlight, and the calming presence of plants while working remotely or catching up on emails. Nature inside, nature outside. Create harmony between your balcony and its surroundings by complementing outdoor views with indoor greenery. Hang flowering plants to match the majestic trees visible outside. Sword leaf fiesta. Add a dramatic touch with plants that have sword-like leaves, such as Sansevieria. Group them together for a striking and modern aesthetic. Balcony corner garden. Allocate a specific corner of your balcony to house your plants. This way, the rest of the space remains functional while your plants thrive in their dedicated area. You time in your balcony garden. Escape the chaos of daily life in your balcony garden. A book, some music, and a few small potted plants will set the perfect tone for a calming retreat. Same but different. Experiment with multiple varieties of the same plant species. Their subtle differences will create an intriguing and cohesive look. Vertical bliss. Maximize space by growing plants vertically along your balcony railing or wall. Use potted plants, climbing vines, or tiered shelving for a lush, space-saving garden. Cascading extravaganza. Create a botanical waterfall effect by growing trailing plants that spill over pots or balcony edges. The cascading greenery adds depth and beauty. Lush growth. Achieve a dense, lush look by growing vines or dense foliage plants close together, forming a natural green curtain along your railing. Gardening station. Turn your balcony into a full-fledged gardening station with pots, tools, and supplies. Let your plants thrive while you stay organized. Color coordination. Establish a cohesive theme by matching your garden's plants, pots, and decor with your favorite color. This personal touch enhances its visual appeal. Vintage look. Embrace the charm of weathered elements by pairing aged pots and rustic decor with greenery to create a timeless, vintage garden aesthetic. Desert plant balcony garden. For a low-maintenance option, choose resilient desert plants like cacti or succulents. These thrive with minimal care and add a unique vibe to your space. Blooming elegance. Fill your balcony garden with vibrant flowering plants like petunias or begonias. The bright blooms will make your space pop with color. Chain of synchronized pots. Hang matching planters in a neat vertical arrangement. This organized look keeps your space tidy while maximizing greenery. Micro bloomers. Grow small flowering succulents or compact plants in a narrow ledge garden. Perfect for tight spaces, they pack beauty into a small footprint. Balcony plant pyramid. Arrange pots in a pyramid formation, ensuring stability and airflow between layers. This unique layout creates a visually stunning display. Tropical hanging art. Use smaller tropical plants in hanging baskets for a floating rainforest-inspired aesthetic. Window ledge garden. Even without a balcony, window ledges can host a charming garden. Line them with small pots to mimic the look of a mini balcony garden. Compact but catchy. Bright-colored flowers like marigolds add vibrant charm without requiring much space. Perfect for small-scale balcony gardens. Pot trio on a stool. Group 3 differently sized pots on a sturdy stool for a simple yet attractive addition to your balcony garden. Humidity-loving plants. In high humidity areas, grow plants like ferns or Christmas cactus. These species thrive in moisture-rich environments, ensuring a healthy garden. Messy floors. Prepare for some mess on your balcony floors. Fallen leaves, water spills, and soil debris are part of the gardening experience. Embrace it as part of the process. Kid-friendly balcony garden. Introduce children to gardening in a safe, controlled space. Teach them about plants while nurturing their curiosity and creativity. One-to-many plants. Propagate new plants from your existing ones using seeds or cuttings. It's an economical way to expand your garden. Boho-style balcony garden. Adopt the bohemian vibe with colorful recycled planters and natural materials. This eco-friendly approach blends sustainability with style. Constant care of plants. Maintain your balcony garden regularly by watering, pruning, and checking for pests. Consistent care keeps your plants vibrant and healthy. So that's all, folks. Thank you for watching our top picks of the most creative and practical balcony garden ideas. If even one inspired you to create a garden paradise for yourself, then hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe, as we'll be back with more interesting videos about anything and everything related to gardening. Till then, happy gardening!